In this tutorial, I want to show you how to make a brick pattern in a very simple way using Adobe Illustrator. Here I have created two shapes with different colors and sizes. For the smaller one, I changed the angle so that it looks rounded. Select them, then stack them using the Align Objects features so that they are precisely centered. Make sure that the object made like the brick-like color is on top. And then I will move it to the top left corner. Make sure the two objects are still selected, then choose the object option in the menu. Repeat. Select Grid. If the spaces between the objects do not coincide, set them from the arrow icon. After that, expand according to what we need. And after that, select Object again. Repeat, then choose Options. In the grid type in the Repeat Options window, select the Brick by Flow option. Then choose OK. And the pattern bricks have been successfully made. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.